Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Zara haul. It's going to be more summery. It's still the Zara sale, so I've got summer pieces that you could be wearing to your next holiday if you're going to get some winter sun, or maybe just want to prepare for summer holidays. This dress, I actually have two of these, so I'm selling one of them on my Vinted and Depop. I'll put a link down below. It's by Boden. It's really gorgeous, and I have the matching coat as well. But anyways, let's get into this video. First up is this orange power suit. I love the color. I think it looks great on. I don't like this detail with the buttons. That it feels like something's missing. Sizing wise for the trousers, they actually feel okay. A little on the tight side, but they feel like a perfect fit. But no pockets, which I don't really like. I like having pockets because the ones on the jacket, oh okay, they are real. I just have to break them in. But I feel like you go into the lining, which isn't so nice. Yeah, it's not really a pocket. You're kind of going into the lining. It's made okay. I would personally keep it casual and wear trainers with this, and then just a bright light lip color, like a pink or something, like a gloss. And yeah, just have some gold accessories. I'm not wearing any earrings today. I know I spoke about opening up an earring brand, but I'm giving my ears a bit of a break because I was wearing earrings like yesterday the whole day. So it's good to also take care of your health. So the material is really nice. I like it. I love the color, and I think there is a versatility with it. You could take off the jacket and just put a top, and then like a plain white tee, and then wear the trousers by themselves. Yeah, it's okay. Nothing special, but it's okay. I'm so in love with the color green. I think it looks fabulous on my skin color. This dress is too small for me. It was only available in the extra small. This is how I would have to wear it if I wanted to keep it. It's not bad. I like did my hair up a little bit. I think I would look so cute with short hair. Oh, I used to have longish hair, but I cut it because I ruined the ends, and I'm ruining them again. So I may just keep having to cut it, and I may end up with like nothing. Like a little pixie cut. But yeah, this is nice. I like the embroidery detail. It would be great on holiday. Put some sandals on, some glasses, and just explore a new town like Venice or something. But yeah, it's nice. I have a lot of green dresses. I have something quite similar, so I'm not too bothered about this. I actually have a dress from M&M, but I know these guys are really quite expensive, so it's not really affordable for everyone. But I just love the color green. I think it looks incredible. If you want extra small, I would say definitely get it. I like the belt as well because you can hinge in the waist, and the buttons are really great for easy access. Quality wise, it's okay. One big problem with Zara is the frilling on the buttons. I don't know really what to suggest. You could just not shop at Zara, or you could just have to cut it, get some scissors and then just be cutting it to make it a bit neater. But yeah, it's really cute. I think it's really nice, and you can't go wrong with these dresses. They're perfect for summer. You can do everything in them. You can go to London, you can go abroad, you look nice everywhere you go. This is a horrible material. It looks so nice on the website, but now in person it just looks cheap and rubbish. It looked like it was like chiffon and was layered. This is such a poor misrepresentation of this dress. And if anyone paid full price for this, I feel sorry for you. This is not nice. This is, ugh. This is the old Zara that I remember. This is the problem with Zara. This is why you have to buy a lot of things unless you go in the store and try everything. But I find that exhausting. I don't have the energy to be driving to malls and stuff. So this is why I buy so much and I do these big hauls, because I can buy like 50 items and only keep 5, because I think only 5 are actually worth the money. This is not worth whatever price that they're selling. I would say this is £5. This should be in Primark or I don't know, Shein, but not Zara. This is horrible. It's just ugh. I think I'm wearing this dress the right way. I'm not sure. It was a nightmare getting it on, but then should there be so much side boob? I don't know. I could be wearing this completely wrong, but I think it's right. It's great for the club, but I don't go to the club. Bear in mind, I could be wearing this wrong, but this is the back. It's very sexy. It looks great on me. I know I'm wearing it amazingly, but I don't think it's me. I hate dresses that are difficult to put on, and if I think I'm putting something on wrong, I feel so self-conscious, and then I don't know, it's just not me. It looks great, and like it will photograph so well. I'm sure if you're a girl who's happy to, you know, show it off, you will look amazing in this. It's an okay dress, nothing special. Material, it feels like a swimming costume. It's not as thick, but it feels like that really stretchy swimming costume material. It's okay. I don't like it, so I don't like it. Here is the next dress. It's cute, it's nice, it needs an iron. I don't like it though. I think even ironed, it's still very, very cheap. The material is cheap, it's very thin. I have other dresses that are satin that I've worn before, and they look much better than this. This is flimsy. It's very, very thin. This is the thing where with Zara, that things look really nice on the website because of course they're nice, 100% viscose. They look nice and fresh, they're ironed, the model looks good, they've got the good lighting. You put it on in person, you're like, what the hell, is this from Zara or is this from Primark? This is not good quality. Even if you were to iron it, it will still look, it will look nice. I'm not going to lie, but it's cheap, and I don't want to dress cheap. It is good though. It does have easy access with the back, and these are a bit easier to put on. I only put 2 on though, but I don't like this. I think you can do better. This is a bit. Why do I buy these things? I would never wear this. I would never feel confident enough to go outside and wear this because I know people would stare at me, and I hate when men stare at me, and I hate men, you know, because men have a different kind of stare. There's certain men, like older uncles, that if you're a black woman you will know, and they give you this look like they want to like pounce on you. Like other men stare at me, but they don't make me feel as uncomfortable as certain like uncles. But no, my gosh, this would be nice on a girls' holiday. If you're like with a group of girls and they're all dressed this way, okay, fine. But by myself or with one other friend, no. It's so nice, and I know I look good. I look great in this, but I'll be so self-conscious. I was just about people staring at me. Maybe at the beach I think it's fine. I think it depends where you wear it. I think I've seen the girls that are very confident they'll wear this out in London when once the sun is out. I'm not that confident. I could wear it like in a hotel, at the pool, like around the hotel. That's fine. It's okay, nothing special about it. It's very sexy if you've got the body, flaunt it. Now this is the last piece, and it's actually my most favourite piece. It is the denim jumpsuit. The only thing I will say, the denim is a bit thin, but I think it looks great on, and it has a lot of versatility. You could wear it in spring, summer in the UK. Maybe not winter, it's a little bit on the cold side, unless you wear something underneath here. This is where it's really thin. Your legs aren't too much of a problem, to be honest, in winter time. They don't really get cold with thighs. But your chest, you have to take care of your chest. But yeah, I think it's nice. It looks nice. Do I like it? I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I have to think on this one. The trousers fit a bit on the tight side. There's not a lot of movement for me. I know that if I put on weight, then ooh. But this top is really, really oversized. It's a nice look. So that's basically the end of this whole. Oh, it does have pockets though as well. They're all real. But yeah, that's basically the end. This one was not that great. I didn't really like anything. The only thing I will be umming and ahhing over is this, but I don't think it's perfect, so I'm going to probably return it and wait to find the perfect one. But yeah, that was the haul. I'm tired now. My cupcakes are just finished, and I'm supposed to cook dinner soon, guys. Guess what? I didn't take the meat out the freezer. Oops. Anyways, bye.